Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about something trap of thought. What is the trap of thought? Look, I'm the woman and I'm the only homemaker and I want to create something out of box, but when it's time to actionable time, then my mind began to trapping. Look, we can think about lots of things. We can think more to build our recognition, to build our identity, you can say. But at the point when it's time to when that time to take action, it all gone blank because we never think about it that we should do or not. Look, I'm very trapped in my thought and I really want to overcome with my thought because it only give me illusion, peace of mind, you can say, and all illusion, you can say. But when it's time to take action, it all gonna blank because it's never have a plan, suitable plan, well managed plan that you can apply them in your reality, in your practical life. And most important, you have to act on the practical situation, practical people that they can afford it. And if you want, then you have to practice yourself, and practice is the key to become excellent in your work, become outstanding of your work. But for that you have to make sure that no, I have a not a right choice. Nowadays I have no right choice, but I want to still find out what is the right choice for me. But it take a too long time, and I have a lots of question, and I have a big dream. But for fulfilling my big dream, I have to do lots of effort. But what I doing that? What am I doing that? I'm just learning English. Is English is enough for the future? No, this is not enough for the future. This is just one step. And if you want to get ahead of it, then you have to enter in other field, just like a Python. And you have no idea what is the real Python, and you want to learn, and you actually trapped yourself in the courses of Python. But still you are not learning phase, you are not in the learning phase. But once you started to learning the Python, then you have to apply them in practically. But do you have a time? Yes, I have a time. I can do, why not? I can raise my time a little bit, and then it will be countable in the long term. Yes. So what I can do that, I can learn slowly things, and keep up, and try to put them in the practical situation. And once I learn Python, then I can be able to learn prompt engineering. That is brilliant. That is brilliant, and that is very good source for me, especially. And but this is all kind of imagination in my mind, I know that. And once it's time to when it's time to learning, then you get so confused, you get so lazy. Then you have to do smart work. Smart work is most important, and deeply do smart work with deeply is most important. And you don't trap in your thoughts, this is the trap. And once you trap in your thought always give you pleasurable dream. There is no base of this until you take action. That is the most important lesson we I need to learn. I don't know whatever other people say, but if I want to develop, then I have to care about what people say, what people care about, what people do, and why people do. This is the basic of the marketing. You have to know about your customers. If you have some product, then you have to know about your customers. That is the part of the marketing. And if you want to learn, then you have to act as a practical. Okay, thank you so much.